to Abundant Food Paradise, and today we're going to talk how to produce a sunflower with multiple heads. So you can see this sunflower has the first head, and then it has the other ones which are coming. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 heads, and it's just the stem is just 1. You can see the stem is 1. So the others have 1 head. So it is very simple. What you do once these seeds are ready, and these ones, you just preserve them, and then you wait for a good season, and then you plant in an integrated environment like this. You can see we have bananas here, we have arrowroots, we have maize. Yeah, there's a banana, we have indigenous vegetables, we have another single sunflower here, and that kind of thing. So you get the seeds from the multiple head sunflower, you conserve, and then you plant during the good season, and then you get your sunflower with multiple heads. So feel free to support African indigenous ecosystems through our GoFundMe link. Please see in our comment section, and we have several of these different designs and different plants, integrated ecosystems, and many other things that you are going to learn from our YouTube channel. Bye bye. See you next time. Bye bye.